Meaning of front door.
Front door.
Front door.
Front door.
Front door. Front door typically refers to the main entrance of a building or house. It is the point of access for visitors and occupants, providing both security and convenience. The design and style of front doors can vary greatly, from simple and functional to ornate and decorative. They may feature windows, panels, hardware, and other design elements to enhance their appearance and functionality. Front doors can also be symbolic, representing a welcoming entryway into a home or business. In summary, the front door serves as an important aspect of a building's architecture and functionality, as well as a representation of its occupant's personality and style.